Fizzy Fizz wins. Let's do this. Now leave me alone.
Woo! I told you guys in December how much snow we can get and how bad it can get. Now it's January, the middle of January, and I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like now. Take a look at what the snowplows did now. If you thought it was hard to shovel yourself out in the month of December, now just wait for January. Crazy, crazy, crazy snow. Absolutely nuts. But a daddy's gotta do what a daddy's gotta do, and a daddy's gotta get a donut for his daughter, S&M. So let's do this. Now we're in the warm and we're getting my daughter that donut. It's freezing cold out, as you can see by my nose. But we did it. So I guess if you want to keep your donut warm, you can put a hat on it. Is that how that works? This one here, yeah. We got the donut for S&M. Now we're gonna go home. We're gonna brave the Arctic weather, the Arctic storm, to be able to get the donut to S&M. This donut has to get to the target. Oh, hey, look at the beautiful sun. We got the donut. 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 We got the dough, we got the dough, we got the donut for my S&M, for my S&M. Can you see the car? Can you see the car? Now you can. We got the donut, we got the donut, we got the dough, we got the dough, we got the donut, we got the donut, we got the donut.